Hey guys, so a good friend of mine just asked me a very simple question, and it was, how many images should I be delivering to my clients? And that answer is really simple. You should deliver exactly what you guarantee to your client. Now, hear me out. What I mean is this. You should set your expectations with your client beforehand on what you plan to deliver. If you're a wedding photographer, that could be 500 images that you're shooting on set, but you might only deliver 50 to 100, depending on the editing process. What you have to account for is your editing time, how many images you're willing to provide that are just amazing. They're hiring you for a specific reason. They're hiring you because you have the expertise in the eye to be able to capture a certain amount of images. So you want to guarantee however many images it takes to get the job done. So if you're a portrait photographer, so like when I shoot portraits, I generally guarantee anywhere from 6 to 8 images of a single series, meaning if it's the same light, it's the same background, and you're just smiling in different positions, or you're changing your clothes in different positions, I treat it almost like a fashion editorial, and I shoot anywhere from 6 to 8 images that are retouched and delivered. Those are my final output. But you should make sure to set that expectation beforehand because it's a precedent that you don't want to go ahead and break. The easiest way to get an angry client or have a client be angry at you is not setting those expectations and for them to argue in the back end that, hey, where's all my images? Where's all those 1,000? The idea is to think about how can I deliver the best files presently available and have that discussion with them in the consultation period long before you start trying to deliver files. That'll make your life so much easier. That's a simple answer to a very simple question. If you guys have any questions about that, please leave those in the comment section below. I sincerely appreciate your time, and you guys have an amazing day. Take care.